Right now, it's a couple nights before the swell. We have a big storm coming. I have a hole in my booty. So you can see, it's a pretty decent sized hole. Pretty bad hole. So we're gonna try to fix it with some super glue. No idea if it's gonna work or not. We're gonna do it a few days before, let it dry. Maybe we'll do another layer tomorrow, see how it like hardens and everything. I know they make like wetsuit glue and stuff, but I just don't have it. Squeeze through, I guess. Hopefully that will fix it. Now we'll put it next to the Christmas tree to dry during the night. My little booty. I finished gluing my booties. Look at that. Pretty hard. This is gnarly. That's a lot of snow already. This is really heavy. Might be too windy almost. I think we're pushing it a little bit. It's like a winter wonderland. It's gonna be like hard to see out there. So cold though, like wax is hard. Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Want to say anything else?
We're super stoked. We're gonna catch some good waves.
It's gonna get totally pitted today. It's gonna be gnarly.
You don't feel like it's, you know, just a little too cold, a little too windy?
I don't feel anything right now. Yeah. Yeah.
Stay safe out there.
We will, thank you. That could go on a kook slail. Oh no, the news got that on video. Kook slails. Oh, there's gonna be a lot of duck diving, I think. It hurts your face. Mother Nature won that one. It was way too windy. We just drifted all the way down the beach. The wind was cross shore, so the snow was just pelting on our face and like stinging it. Oh, we drifted all the way down the beach. We got on the news a couple times. The news was like chasing us when we were leaving. That was pretty cool. I think we were like shredding though, but like we totally blew that set. I mean, we didn't really blow it. You couldn't really go out. We were pushing our luck with the wind. All right, next day, doing a little wave check. It looks good. Now we're gonna finally score. Whew, make up for yesterday. Let's get out there. out to check the waves and look at the conditions. It looks pretty fun. I mean, the wind's a bit strong, so I might wait a little bit for it to die down, but the waves are a good size, and this is the only time we can really surf here in New England. This and hurricanes. You can get like the proper like wetsuits. I have a 5mm wetsuit with 7mm and 8mm gloves and booties, which keep me just warm in the water.
So you're hoping to get out there and just go surfing for a couple of hours?
Yeah. All this week actually. There's a nice swell coming, so I'll be out today, tomorrow, and the next couple of days.
Well, thank you so much. So Will's a lot more braver than I am. You know, it's just one of those days that if you can, stay inside, stay active.